What's going on, guys? Today, working on my Traeger. I got my Traeger pellet smoker here. As you can see, she's seen better days. You know, she's rusted, but it's got a problem. Now if I turn it on, you guys probably can't pick it up on the camera, but it turns on. You can hear a little bit of a fan, and you know the auger is turning, but the problem is the blower fan is not coming on. It's a really common issue on these Traegers, and I don't know about other pellet smokers, but it's definitely a common issue on the Traegers. So basically there's two fans on these. There's one fan that's right around here that kind of cools the auger motor, and that's kind of what you hear right now, if you can hear it. But there is another fan, and it's located underneath the box here, and that is the blower fan, and that is kind of what sends air into the chamber here, and kind of what keeps your fire going and makes this whole thing operate. And like I said, it's a common issue. These things die out after a few years. So today we're going to be pulling out the old one. I ordered a new one off of Amazon. They're pretty cheap. I think it was about $19. Let's make sure that the grill is unplugged before you do all this. It's just two Phillips head screws on each side. So we got these two here, and there's another two on the other side. So we're gonna remove those, remove the screws, and remove the other side. And that's so after you remove the two screws on each side, you got to remove these two screws. And there you have it. The whole bottom grill comes out. So here's the fan. First, we're gonna disconnect the connector. All right. So it's just 4 1/4-inch screws. Got to remove 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's just remove those. Alright, so there you have it. Old fan removed. See, everything matches up. Looking good. Add a zip tie. Now we can hear that fan spin. You can see now it's pushing a lot more smoke out. That's exactly what you want. You can also hear it. Yeah, it's working good now. Anyway, guys, I'm DC5 James. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps somebody. I'll see you on the next video.